Welcome everyone to ARC4CFD. My name is Francesco Ambrogi and I'm one of the developers of this course. So ARC4CFD stands for Advanced Research Computing for Computational Fluid Dynamics. And I think it's a wonderful course, and the purpose of this video is to actually show you what this is all about and maybe understand if this is a great fit for you and your next few years in your career. So let's dive into it. So what are the goals for an ARC4CFD? Well, first of all, some of you taking this course might already have some knowledge, basic knowledge on computational fluid dynamics and fluid mechanics in general, but may want to scale up their simulations using HPC systems. So far, maybe you have run your simulation on local machine, being there a laptop or a desktop computer, but you want maybe to study more complex geometries or bigger cases, and for that you will need HPC resources. So the purpose of this course is to actually bridge the knowledge gap between basic CFD knowledge to leverage large-scale CFD simulation on HPC system. We want to provide you with tools to leverage these HPC resources and to use them the best way possible. And finally, this course is meant to be very hands-on to give you the best learning experience. So what is the structure of this course? This course is basically meant to be about 16 hours long if you follow through. The structure of the course is 3 sections. There are 3 parts to the course. The first one will teach you all the basics about HPC, from the terminology to how to access HPC resources, how to allocate HPC resources, and so on and so forth. In the second section is extremely CFD related or based, where you actually will go through complete example, beginning to end, of how to compute and how to run simulations on a cluster, but also how to pre-process them, how to select the simulation parameters, and so on. We have one website where everything is described, and you can actually follow through the text and all the example. And we have finally a GitHub repo where we put all the source codes that have been used in the course, along with probably the slides of these videos. So the big question is, who's the target audience for this course? Well, first of all, new graduate students in computational physics, any branch of physics, really. If you're thinking to do large-scale simulation, probably this will be a great fit for you in terms of experience and at least basic knowledge. And then we have people who have maybe run experiments or that have been in the theoretical sides of physics or fluid mechanics, who wants maybe to validate model using computer simulation. And that is also a great fit for this course. And finally, we have undergraduate students who are participating in design teams and maybe are beginning to use CFD tools to study their problem and maybe want a more solid background on that. So once again, this course has been developed at the MPI lab at the University of Waterloo, led by Professor J.P. Hickey and Compute Ontario. So I want to acknowledge all those collaborative effort, and I wish you good luck for the beginning of this course, and let's dive into it.